Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, student. In last class, we have solved two questions. Uh, Today, we will start from question number 3. Students, can you see the lecture on the screen?
Yes, miss.
Okay. If you have any confusion during the lecture, so you can ask with me, okay? Okay, now focus on the screen. 2A, please focus on the screen. Lecture, very important topic today. 2a plus b upon 4a square minus b square. Here we have question like this. 2a plus b 4a square minus b square. And then in denominator power formula is applying in denominator, and the formula is using, it become 4 square. 4 is the square of 2. Sorry, 2 is the square of 4. Square of 4. Square of 2 is 4. Means 2 2s are 4. And here you can say that, see that a square, it is the form now, it is the form of a square minus b square. When we have formula, I am giving the reference of formula. ये वाला formula हम, this formula which we are using, this is the formula which we are using. ये formula है जो हम use कर रहे हैं denominator में, क्योंकि simplification यहीं पे ये वाली possible है. A plus b and second bracket a minus b. Alicia, please come on the screen. A minus b, as you can see. And further step we have 2a plus b. There is no possibility for the simplification, so we are writing as it is. But a square minus b square is equal to a plus b bracket and a a minus b, and then first bracket cancel from first bracket. Answer we got 1 upon 2a minus b. Yes class, is there any confusion? Please tell me. Very easy question. In numerator there was no possibility to simplify, so we write it as it is. But in denominator में कोई चांस नहीं था सिंप्लीफाई करने का, तो वो एज इट इज हमने लिखा. In denominator you can see that we have 4a square minus b square. 4a square, 2 is the square of 4, तो हम इसका स्क्वायर कॉमन लेके बाहर हमने होल फॉर्म में लिख दिया. ओके, मीन्स 2 पावर 2 ऑन a2, बाहर होल पावर लिख दी, माइनस b होल स्क्वायर. यहाँ पर क्लास इन डिनोमिनेटर ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज हो रहा है. ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी, ए माइनस बी. On the next step, numerator we write as it is, whereas a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. First bracket cancel from first bracket, and on numerator there is no power, though there is no term, so we write 1 upon 2a minus b. यहाँ तक कोई confusion class? Done? Alicia? Done? Okay. Then next question. Part B. C square plus 2cd minus 15d square. Class factorization is involving in this question. Question number part B is quite difficult. ये important भी है, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल भी है. quite little bit of difficulty is added. Minus 15d square. Here is a combination of middle term break and the formula. Not formula and common. Okay. In class, when you see the question which consists of 3 terms, listen to me very carefully. When you see even no matter the terms are involving on numerator or denominator, when you see the question is consists of 3 terms that you can understand, it will be solved by middle term break method. Factorization के जरिए solve होगा. Like सबसे पहले आप इनको break कर लें. Consider 1 when there is no coefficient, that means 1 is present. 1c square, ये हम separately, we are doing separately. 1c square 2cd minus 15d square. Okay, I'm doing first numerator term. What we do in factorization, multiply first term with the last term. आंसर हमारे पास क्या आएगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी मेक द रफ वर्क कॉलम. यहाँ पे हम रफ वर्क कॉलम बनाएंगे एंड देन 115 दा 15. In factorization, what we do? Multiply first term with the last term. 115 दा 15. Learn now. Tell me those table in which 15 is the multiple of the number. और किस टेबल में आता है 15? 5 3 दा or 3 5 दा 15, right? 5. Wait a minute. Okay. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Students, are you getting my point? First, you will multiply first term with the last term. Answer we have 5 1 sorry 15 1 15. Now you will read those table in which 15 is multiple. 15 उन जिन टेबल में आता है 15 कम तो हम वो लिखेंगे. Just like 5 3 15. And when you subtract 3 from 5, 5 में से 3 को subtract करेंगे, then answer will be 2. Middle term we will get with the help of addition or subtraction, while first term will be multiplied by last term. We multiply. So, is there any confusion? Now, no. 1c square in the place of 2cd we will write, ये हम इसकी जगह पे लिखेंगे 5cd minus 3cd. Just a second, class. Just a second. Okay. Wait. Please wait a minute. Yes, class. Wait. Okay. C square minus plus 5cd minus 15d square. Class, are you getting my point? In middle term break method, 5 3 is 15 and 5 minus 3 we have 2. Now take out the common. In first term, C is common because C is in both sides. In the bracket, because यहाँ पे दो C है. Here we have 2C, C dot C. Here we have only C. So we take C as a common. Common. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास okay. C square upon C. The term which we are taking outside, inside we will divide that term. जो बाहर कॉमन ले रहे हैं अंदर जाकर उसको डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, like this. And here which term is common? 3 is common. Okay, because C and D is not repeating itself. Like C upon 3. While taking common, class, there is a minus sign already involved before the bracket. जब माइनस साइन बाहर होता है ब्रैकेट से पहले तो हम इनसाइड वाला साइन चेंज करेंगे, लाइक माइनस माइनस प्लस. Sides last term sign sign will be changed. It become minus minus plus, and then upon 3. Now class, our answer would be, just a second, let me clear the space. Okay, let's solve this. Further step we have C, and here we have 2C. 1C cancel from C. Here answer we get C, and C cancel from C. C square cancel from C, and here 3 ones are 3. I am cancelling the value, that's it. 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. Okay, inside the bracket we will write 5D, and wait a second class, there is a mistake. Sorry, यहाँ पे एक mistake हो गई. यहाँ पे DB तो लिखा जाएगा ना, तो यहाँ पे DB कॉमन आएगा. यहाँ पे सॉरी मैंने मिस कर दिया था बाय मिस्टेक, यहाँ पे DB होगा. In the question 5CD minus 3CD, D cancel and D is also common, and then plus minus 3CD, inside the bracket we have term C plus 5D. Class, is there any confusion till now? यहाँ तो कोई problem?
No.
C. Now can you can see both brackets are same. दोनों brackets same है, C plus 5D and C plus 5D. और अब now I am writing inside bracket one time and outside terms in the bracket 3C. Yes class, अब मुझे बताइए यहाँ तक कोई confusion?
No.
Alicia, any problem?
No, miss.
Okay, here we solve the numerator. Now put the value. अब हम इसको next step में ये करने जा रहे हैं class. यहाँ पर देखिए, अब हम इसको next step we have C plus 5D. Class, can you see in the bracket, second bracket, C is also common. ये देखिए C common आ रहा है. C minus 3CD common आ रहा है. तो क्या हम इसको कॉमन ले सकते हैं? हम यहाँ पे C कॉमन ले सकते हैं, लाइक दिस. इनसाइड वी विल राइट 1 minus 3D. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट स्टूडेंट? देखिए यहाँ पे C is common in both sides, so I took C as a common. Okay, and in denominator we have 4C square plus 20CD. Yes class, which terms are common? आप बताइए इनमें से कॉमन क्या है? 4C square plus 20CD. कॉमन कैसे लेंगे हम इसमें, जल्दी बताइए. कैन वी टेक 4 एज अ कॉमन? 4 कॉमन ले सकते हैं हम इसमें? यस, बिकॉज 4 के टेबल में 4 भी आता है एंड 4 इज द 20 इज ऑल्सो द मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. 4 के टेबल में 20 भी आता है, तो हम 4 ले सकते हैं. एंड देन C is also present on both sides, so we can take 4C as a common. Inside the bracket we will write 1C plus 4 5s are 20 and C we took as a common. और ये देखिए, here you can see that class C plus 5D cancelled from C plus 5D and C cancelled from C. Final answer we have 1 minus 1 minus 3d upon 4. Now class, look at the whole question. If you have any confusion, you can ask with me. जल्दी से देखिए ये, और इसमें जो प्रॉब्लम है वो मुझसे पूछ लीजिए. In first step, we solve the numerator separately. We have question consists of 3 terms, c square plus 2cd minus 15d square. When question we have 3 terms involving, so we will solve it with the help of factors, like first term multiplied by last term. 115 are 15. Now read those table in which 15 का वो वाला table पढ़ना है जिसमें 15 आता है. You can see 3 5 the 15. और जब आप 5 में से 3 को माइनस करेंगे तो मिडिल टर्म आंसर आ रहा था 2. So in place of 2, first term we will write as it is, last term we will write as it is, but in place of middle term we will write the factors of 2. Multiple of 15 factors of 15. मतलब हम वो वाले नंबर लिखेंगे जिससे ये 2 आ रहा है और मल्टीप्लाई होकर 15 आ रहा है. Here you can see that class. Alicia, please focus. Alicia, focus on the screen. Here C is common, and in the second bracket 3 and D are common. Like C is 2 time, यहाँ पे 2 time था, यहाँ पे 1 time था, तो C we took as a common. और कॉमन कैसे हमने सॉल्व किया ये आप देख लीजिए. And here 3 1 the 3, 3 5 the 15, and D is present on both sides. So हमने कॉमन, when we took common we got same brackets. ये देखिए हमारे पास same bracket आए. And then we write same bracket one time, and outsider terms also wrote in the bracket. Now upon, this is the time. अब हम ये न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर वाली वैल्यू सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. ये हमने सॉल्व कर ली. हमने ये देखा, we saw that in second bracket C is also as a also common. इसमें common आ रहा है C, तो हमने वो बाहर ले लिया. Upon 4C is also common in denominator, और फिर ये solve हो गया. Done class? Halima and Alisha. Okay. Okay, now question number C. Question 3 part C. Yes class, 3a minus 6 upon a square plus a. Now you will tell me ये किससे, how to solve this question. 3a might do it, but tell me, share your opinion with me without anyone help. किसी के help के बगैर आप मुझे बताएंगे कि ये solve कैसे होगा. Okay, I am here for your help. आप मुझे बताइए ये हम कैसे solve करेंगे. First look the numerator. Numerator को देखिए कैसे solve होगा. How to solve? Any idea?
3 1 3 3 2 6.
Very good. We will take common. Okay, 3 is common. Like 3 1 are 3. A is not common. We will write in the bracket as it is. And 3 2 are 6. We are taking 3 as a common. In denominator question consists of 3 terms. Question में 3 terms है class. Can you tell me how to solve the question? Yes class. जल्दी से बताइए कैसे solve होगा. A square plus A minus 6. Any idea?
बोथ ऑफ का ए लिख देंगे स्क्वायर.
Yes Halima, please speak loudly. थोड़ा सा जोर से बोले.
मुझसे ए स्क्वायर 2 लिखा हुआ है, इसको 2 दफा लिख देंगे.
Dear, first term multiply by last term. Third 3 term question में 3 terms है. 1 2 3. In this method we will multiply first term with the last term. अभी जो हमने last time अभी 15 वाला question किया था. 1 multiply by 6. First term multiply by last term. 1 6 are 6. Read those table in which 6 is the multiple. अब 6 कौन से टेबल में आता है? 2 3 are 6 and 3 2 are 6.
यस.
3 2 are
6 2 3 6.
Okay, when you subtract the 2 from 1, 3. When you subtract 2 from 3, answer you have 1. Okay, class, I am putting first term we will write as it is. ये देखिए, फर्स्ट टर्म वी विल राइट एज इट इज, बट अब हम इसकी जगह पे इन प्लेस ऑफ मिडिल टर्म, यहाँ पे व्हेन देयर इज नो नंबर इट्स मीन 1 इज प्रेजेंट. In place of 1a we will write plus
plus
3a, no, plus 3a minus 2a, and last term we will write as it is, minus 6. Okay, plus sign when we have बड़े के साथ हम वो वाला sign लेंगे. We took plus sign with the 3 and minus sign with a smaller number, because plus sign decide which by which number we will get. Okay, first time 3 2s are 6 and 3 minus 2 1. When we add or subtract, middle term answer we will get. Okay, now this next step, a numerator term we will write as it is, because now there is no possibility to simplify. abhi humne as it is likh di. Here in denominator there are 4 terms. Take out the common. In first bracket, ye first bracket hai, this is first bracket, and this is second bracket. Yes class, in first bracket which term is common? jaldi se bataiye. A square plus 3a, which term is common? Alisha, Halima, tell me the answer. In first bracket common mean repeating. Same कौन सी है first bracket में? Yes Halima.
2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6.
No Halima, I am saying in first bracket which terms are common, which term is repeating. दोनों तरफ कौन सी term मौजूद है?
A.
A, very good. Alisha, please focus. A is common, so inside the term which we are taking out common, in the bracket it will divide like this. ये इस तरह solve होगा. And 3a upon a. Now class, tell me, in second bracket this is 2a minus 6. Second bracket में क्या चीज common आ रही है? Yes class. In second bracket which term is common? Any idea? Any idea? 2a minus 6, which term is common?
2 6 are 12, 6 2s are 12.
2 is common class, minus 2, because 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, and then 1a, because we take common, and minus minus, as I told you before, minus sign is before the bracket, minus minus plus, and 2 3s are 6. Okay class, and then this is our rough work we will put into the bracket. Now a cancel a, and a square also cancel from a. Finally we have a numerator term we will write as it is, 3a minus 2 upon a, and 2a में से एक एक कट गया तो एक बचा, a plus 3 and a sorry, यहाँ पर minus 2 and bracket a plus 3. ये हमने फेयर करके लिख दिया यहाँ पर. ओके, एंड देन 3a minus 2. देखें आप, यू कैन सी इन डिनोमिनेटर हमारे पास बोथ ब्रैकेट्स आर सेम. बोथ ब्रैकेट्स आर सेम. वी विल राइट वन टाइम द आउटसाइड सेम ब्रैकेट. एक दफा वंस वी राइट द सेम ब्रैकेट, एंड इन सेकेंड ब्रैकेट वी विल राइट द आउटर टर्म्स. आउटर टर्म्स को हमने एक तरफ इस तरह से लिख दिया. इज देयर एनी कंफ्यूजन क्लास? नाउ टेल मी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हम क्या करेंगे? इज देयर एनी आइडिया?
2 3
स्टेप में क्या होगा? इज देयर एनी आइडिया? नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या होगा? How can we solve in next step?
3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6.
Class, can you see a minus 2 cancel from a minus 2? ये पूरा ब्रैकेट इससे कट हो रहा है. Yes, class. What do you think? So here we have final answer 3 upon a plus 3. ये आंसर है हमारा. We cannot cancel from 3. हम इसको से कट नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज प्लस का साइन यहाँ पे अटैच है. हम देखें इस तरह से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं जब when there is no sign between the term. ये देखें 3 और ब्रैकेट के बिटवीन कोई साइन नहीं है, इन दोनों ब्रैकेट्स के बिटवीन कोई साइन नहीं है, तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो रहे हैं. आंसर क्लास. प्लीज सी द क्वेश्चन एंड टेल मी इफ यू हैव एनी कंफ्यूजन. जल्दी से बताइए, सॉल्व हो गया, समझ आ गया?
Yes, miss.
Yes, Alicia, any problem? This exercise
No, miss.
is quite tough, but you will have to clear the concept. आपको ये समझनी चाहिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये एक्सरसाइज, क्योंकि इसके बगैर आप लोग सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Just a second. Next question we have question number D. X square plus 6 minus 7. Yes class. किस तरह सॉल्व होगा ये? X square question we have plus 6x minus 7. Very easy and same method as we have solved the above 2 questions or 3 questions. And here we have x square. I am breaking the x square into x dot x minus x. Yes class. In numerator, question consists of 3 terms. Middle term break method होगा. 1 multiply by 7.
7 ones are 7.
Yes. अब बताइए, now tell me in how many tables 7 come? और कितने tables में 7 आता है? Tell me quickly.
Miss नहीं आता.
So 7 अपने ही टेबल में आता है. 7 comes in itself. 7 ones are 7. So here now class you can see that 7 ones are, this is rough work, 7 ones are 7, and when you subtract 7 from 1 from 7, answer you will get middle term. 7 minus 1 6 here. So in place of 6 I will write 7 minus 7x minus 1x. 7 ones are 7, मल्टीप्लाई करने से 7 आ गया, राइट? इन दोनों नंबर्स को 7 ones are 7 and 7 minus 6 we got 6 upon 7. Now class, in denominator which terms are common? Denominator में कौन सी terms common है? Yes class.
X.
X is common. So indirectly we will write, when we take x, ये देखें अब हमने एक टर्म x बाहर ले लिया, अंदर हमारे पास कितना बचा? 1x, और यहाँ से पूरा बाहर आ गया, तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे हम? 1, बिकॉज ये x पूरा बाहर है. ओके, हमजा जुलेखा, why they are retarded. Okay, now class, next step we have in numerator. Numerator में देखें 4 terms आ गई. अब हमने इसमें से कॉमन लेना है. 1x square plus 7x, इसमें से क्या कॉमन है? Which terms are common?
1 minus 7.
No, x is common
Common.
because x is on both side ना. x common आ गया, अंदर हमारे पास बचा inside the bracket we have x plus 7, and in second bracket there is no common. 1x minus 7, कुछ भी common नहीं है. We will write 1 outside the bracket, and inside the bracket we will write 1x. जब हमारे पास we don't have any common, we take just 1. Minus minus plus and 7, and then upon x minus 1, like this. And then class, very easy question, we will write the same bracket. अब ये देखिए दोबारा हमने same bracket लिए. We will write it once. one time we will write x plus 7, and outsider terms also be written in bracket like this upon x minus 1, x minus 1, and then cancel कौन सी हो रही है, x minus 1 bracket cancel from x minus 1 in the denominator. Final answer we have x plus 7 upon x. ये देखिए अब हमारे पास आंसर जो आया वो ये है. प्लीज अब इसको देख लीजिए जल्दी से, हमारे पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ 5 मिनट है. यस क्लास,
समझ आ गया
जी स्टूडेंट्स, ये समझ आया आपको?
यस मिस
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर ई, k square minus 9. Just a second. Maliha, this is class 7 class. बेटा ये class 7 है and you are so late. This is not your class. K square, this is Maliha, are you the student of class 7? K square minus 9 upon, question we have k square minus 7k. Yes class, tell me directly. First term multiply by last term in the new denominator. Tell me, how can we solve the question? First term multiply by last term. यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है तो क्या है, 1 है. 1 12 जा
1 12 and the 12 1
1 12 the 12. अच्छा दूसरे टेबल पढ़िए जिनमें 12 आता है और प्लस या उन्हीं नंबर्स को प्लस या माइनस करवाएं तो 7 आ जाए. मल्टीप्लाई कराएं 12 आए और प्लस या माइनस करवाएं तो 7 आए. आएगा 3 6 no, 3 6 18 होता है. 3 4 12 and you will add, when you add 3 plus 4 तो आंसर क्या आएगा, 7. So in denominator we will write k square minus 3k minus 4k and plus 12. Okay class, in numerator यहाँ पे all here is formula is applying of a square minus b square का formula open हो रहा है like this. A square minus 9 is the square of 9 किसका square है, 3 का, and then यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला अप्लाई हो रहा था. ओके अब यहाँ पे देखिए 3 4 12 and because 3 1 12 1 12 and 3 minus plus 3 plus 4 7. In first bracket you can see k is common and in denominator we will write k square and k minus 3k upon k, and then here after in second bracket 4 is common and then 4k upon 4 minus plus minus and 4 is common like this, and then okay now a square minus b square. Yes class, a square minus b square. Here numerator पे फॉर्मूला ओपन हो रहा है, a square minus b square बराबर होगा, यहाँ पे I am giving the formula a square minus b square is equal to, ये किसके इक्वल होता है क्लास, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट लेंगे, a plus b and a minus b. As you can see, अब हम यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली पुट कर देंगे k minus 3 and k प्लस 3. यहाँ पे देखिए k माइनस 3 अपॉन k प्लस 3. अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या बचा कॉमन में?
4.
नो,
k plus
k माइनस 3, k माइनस 3 और minus 4 and k. 4 1 the 4, cancel from 4 and 4 1 the 4, 4 3 the 12. k minus 3. अब क्या होगा क्लास? यहाँ पर we will write again k minus 3 here like this and k plus 3 k plus 3. अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ क्लास? अब ये आउटसाइडर ब्रैकेट एक तरफ, k minus 3 एंड k माइनस 4. आंसर क्या आ जाएगा हमारा क्लास? जल्दी से बता दीजिए, बस थोड़ा सा टाइम रह गया हमारा. k माइनस 3 से k माइनस 3 कैंसिल. आंसर हमारे पास आया k प्लस 3 अपॉन k माइनस 4. पार्ट f इज सेम, so you can do this by your own side. Is there any confusion?
no.
Okay, this is the end of the class. Now class attendance, Halima is present and Alisha Mohammad Kashif is present. So end of the class homework I will send it through the on the WhatsApp. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Okay. Yes class Halima.